In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove bank account from QuickBooks. If you've stopped using a bank account or you connected the wrong one, removing it from your active list helps keep your books clean and your drop-downs uncluttered. In QuickBooks, this action is called making the account inactive. It hides the account from your day-to-day workflows while keeping all past transactions and reports intact, which is important for accurate records and audits. Start by signing into QuickBooks in your browser and opening your company file. Once you're in, head to your chart of accounts. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find this from the main navigation. The chart of accounts is where all your accounts live: bank accounts, credit cards, income, and expense categories, so this is the right place to manage what appears in your lists. Locate the bank account you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one by checking the name and type. If you have similarly named accounts, glance at the last 4 digits or the description to be sure you're working with the right record. It's also a good idea to make sure you've already dealt with any pending transactions and that you're not in the middle of a reconciliation for this account. When you're ready, look to the action column for that account and click the small drop-down arrow. Choose Make Inactive. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm. Approving this will remove the account from your active lists, which means you won't be able to post new transactions to it or see it in selection menus. Your historical data stays exactly where it is, so past reconciliations and reports remain accurate. A couple of helpful notes here. If QuickBooks tells you the account is connected to online banking, you may need to disconnect the bank feed first before you can make it inactive. If the option is unavailable, check whether it's set as a default in any features like recurring transactions or rules and update those. Also, only users with the right permissions can make accounts inactive, so if you don't see the option, you may need an admin to do it. If you ever need the account back, you can restore it. In the chart of accounts, change the view to include inactive accounts, find the one you hid, and reactivate it. Everything will come back with its history intact, and that's it. You've removed a bank account from your active QuickBooks setup by making it inactive, keeping your workspace tidy without losing your financial history.